We're in Jefferson County in the southern part. We're right off of Wheatland Road and Lloyd Road. And we're at Cool Spring Marsh, which is one of the headwater springs for Bullskin Run. Bullskin Run flows into the Shenandoah River, which then flows into the Potomac and on to the Chesapeake Bay. So right here we are in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. We're trying to get a baseline or just a snapshot of what is living here so that when someone comes back in a future year, they can see whether conditions are similar or whether they've degraded or improved.
We were looking specifically for benthic macroinvertebrates because, as we know, identifying them helps us to understand the quality of the water and gives us a glimpse of maybe the bigger picture of the water quality here at Bullskin Run.
So we will focus on biological monitoring today, and I know from staff here at the preserve that this is a very silty bottom system, and the types of creatures that we would normally be looking for, like mayflies, caddisflies, and stoneflies, don't typically exist in large numbers in this type of muddy bottom. We will just take our dip net and try to jam it into habitats where we think that the creatures might be finding food and refuge. So one of those habitats would be some of the woody debris over there, and then anywhere that we see water rippling where there would be extra oxygen.
Previously, as I understand it, water quality and the Bullskin Run was mostly measured through modeling data. What we're trying to do and be a part of is taking active water quality samples on a pretty frequent basis.
We're looking for movement, so anytime the creatures would be moving around, they would catch our eye and we would know to dig around in that group of silt.
It is our desire to have the community form a voluntary watershed group to identify issues in their own backyard, on their own water, and to take charge of it in their voluntary capacity.
Since watershed conservation is a really integral part of our organization, it's an excellent and obvious partnership for us to work with the Friends of Bullskin Run, because not only do we want to be actively involved in these conservation initiatives, but we want to set an example and also provide opportunities for the community to learn these skill sets and get involved in community and citizen science.